Alright guys, so today I'm installing the Racing Beat sway bar reinforcement kit, I guess it's called. All it is this white bar here and some reinforcement blocks. Now this shouldn't prevent me from ripping out my reinforcements or my sway bar mounts. I am switching to 245 tires soon, so I'm going to have more grip, and I just don't want to break my car, whenever I take a corner. So I've got to throw this in just to prevent that, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take out your sway bars, just the mounts there in the middle. It's not focusing very well, but you see what I mean. See how the sway bars down there? There's two 12mm bolts, and you just got to take them out on both sides, and then the sway bar will drop. Now you got to be careful and pay attention to the correct orientation of this bar. See how it's thicker on the top than it is on the bottom, and if you look over here, this little leaf is shorter than this leaf, like the distance from here and here. So this side goes towards the front of the car, and this is how it should look from a side view. So make sure you guys put it in that way, or it's going to be installed incorrectly. Alright guys, so as you can see, this side's done. It's all tightened up. Everything's good to go here. If you have power steering, this is the power steering block. That line goes through that hole there. And other than that, it's really it's kind of a pain to get it all lined up, but once you get it in there, it's not too bad. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's fully installed on both sides. It does help if you guys turn your steering wheel out of the way. So there's the brace right there. Goes throughout the whole thing. Gets really close to my oil thermostat right there. But we're pretty solid for now. And if we come here on this side, you can't really see because the wheel's in the way, but we're all sturdy. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this. Super straightforward to install. If you guys really are looking for something easy and add a lot of racing, then I'd go with the Racing Beat setup. But yeah, a pretty straightforward install, and hopefully you guys liked the video. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more.